the largest electronic market here in Shenzhen. This is one of the best places if you want to come and find products that are going to sell well online.
Now is the suitcase motorbike team.
There you go. Nice. Nice. Thanks, bro. So you can walk around, see what you think is going to sell, get inspiration. Talk directly to suppliers, understand how much things are going to cost. So come with us and see what we can find. Let's try buy this moving cart thing. Oh, what's the best price you can do?
Good afternoon, handsome Fred. This is our factory.
Handsome Fred. See that, Nick? Oh yeah, it's still too expensive. Yeah. We saw for 700 RMB over there. Yeah, same. Yeah, they did 700. Oh yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we can do 824. Is it the same? Is it this?
No, friend. This is a counterfeit and this is a fake. It can only be ridden for 3 kilometers and then cannot be taken on a plane because its battery is not certified.
Yeah, we just need for Sakwa. So maybe I could do like 1,000 RMB. For that. Dude, 213 Australian dollars for this. Crazy. No? Okay. All right, it's okay. Just sit on. All right. Can't win them all.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. How much for this? The violent wind is genuine. Yes, I agree it is. Yes. 150. Do you actually want one, Nick? It's 150 RMB. Is that the best price? Are you the factory agent? Okay. What's 100 RMB?
这款正版，它后面的螺丝是真螺丝。
Can you do 75 RMB?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes? Okay.
No.
What? Oh, no. 75 RMB.
No.
No. Oh, no. 120, still too expensive. All right, Jay, we can't win them all. All of them.
Yeah.
So that's a really popular product in Australia. So there's a company called Turbojet Oz that sells them for 150 bucks a pop, from what I remember. So these are like, tradies love them. They're great for cars as well. So everyday people buy them, keep them in their cars, blow stuff out of the car. So even just working with her factory or buying a sample through her is a pretty cool bet. And if you brand it the right way and you just kind of sell it better than guys currently selling it, it could potentially be $1 million product. She wants like 25 bucks a piece, which is just crazy. It's interesting. Like when I used to come here when I was younger, they would typically like chase after you and try and get you to buy and just continue to drive down. But you can see there that I'm still offering a $15, which is way more than you could even find them on AliExpress and Alibaba. But she didn't really care. So it speaks to the fact that there's people here buying stuff from them already, because if they were desperate for $1, they'd be running after you by then. So
800.
800.
Yeah.
And are you the factory or just seller?
Actually, it's published. That's everything.
Makes sense. And turbo, yeah, USB-C. Does it work in Australia? Aldalia. Yeah, does it work? What do you think? You like it? So it's about $100 for this, 800 RMB. Yeah, it's got features. It's pretty well built quality. Okay, we'll keep going. We'll come back. 680 yuan.
Yeah.
Nah, it's okay. We'll come back. Thank you, brother. These drones are kind of hard to sell, especially online, because you've got different battery certifications. Trying to ship them in and out of countries is difficult. The mobile app as well. Like, I don't know if it's an iOS mobile app, if it's an Android mobile app. If there's issues with warranty, like who takes responsibility for that, you really just don't know. So those sort of products are really hard. And like trying to work with his factory, you're never going to get it. So just be careful with this sort of stuff. You buy these products, you test them in your own home, you use them every day, see if there's something that actually are useful, and then show them to family and friends. See if there's a real market for it. You can go to somewhere like Alibaba or AliExpress, find a supplier that you can work with. You can use AliExpress to drop ship it to begin with, or Alibaba if you want to buy the product in properly. Set up a Shopify store, start running some Facebook ads, get some UGC creators involved, and then you have a market. And then you can test it, and see if you have a product that will actually sell. No one is willing to get samples like this. No one is willing to be here. So if you just kind of like put in a little bit of extra effort to, at least sample and try this stuff yourself, it's going to help you out a hell of a lot to see if you actually have a product that people want, that's a quality product, or whether it's a dud and you should move on. That's a whole backpack. Is it how much? 800.
好的，录下。
Jesus. Nah, too expensive. Sorry, keep moving.
Hush.
I'm Jack.
Yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you.
I know. I follow your videos.
No way.
Before coming in, I was just checking out, and I was like, oh.
Lovely to meet you.
See you. Cheers.
Like this. I was gonna say, it's so good to see that the China videos we're doing are inspiring people to come out, come to the markets firsthand and source products. Really, really cool. He's only here because we saw some of the videos. Do you want a photo? Yeah, of course. Awesome, man. Lovely to meet you. See you soon. That's talent. Oh no. How much for this? 198.
198.
Wait, 98 still $20. Yeah, no. What's the feature of this? What's the difference?
You return.
Oh, you're very good. Right. Oh yeah, this is the OG one. Oh, you're very good. I'm just a dumb Australian. Okay, how much for this one? Yeah, 550 RMB. What's that, $100? Nah, I'm sorry, too expensive. Don't want it. I'm not as good as you. That's all right. Don't want to buy it. It's all good. Cheers.
He tried to sell.
He tried, yeah. At least he put some effort in. Four people now. We've been here for 10 minutes. We watch the content and are here because of it, which is cool. What's our best seller? Best product? Or maybe one of these. Is this a power bank? What's this do? It's like a hand warmer. So you put it in your hands, and it's like a mini hand warmer. So if you're in actually it's a really cool product. I've never seen this before. So if you're in a cold climate, you just put these together, take them out, turn them on, put them in your hands, and literally she's had this on for 5 seconds now. Feel it? You know, you feel your hands getting warm. Yeah, this would be super easy to market because you can just get like UGC creators, anyone living in a cold climate, walking around, mums or wherever, going, oh, my hands were cold, and look at this, I have this hand warmer in my car. People who like spend time in the snow, do different things. Yeah, if you went skiing or something and your hands were freezing cold and you had this in your pocket, this would be like the coolest thing ever. And what, USB-C charging and everything. All right, let's figure out how much. How much for this? 80. Can you do for 50?
那这个10块而已，10块本钱。
35. They could do for 60. I'll buy now. No. 60. 65. Go on, 65. And I'll buy now. 70. What about 60?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. 68 RMB. Fine. Just one. This is cool. I'm gonna take this skiing. Yep, perfect.
没有，好，没关系。
Well, this is a good sample, so we'll take this home, see if it actually works properly. It's USB-C charging, so what could go wrong? Make sure you turn it off, otherwise it gets really hot. So I wonder if that means that it will literally just overheat. But we'll find out. We'll take it back to Australia and we'll see.
I'm a big fan.
Yeah, I mean, no worries. Dude, make sure you tag me on this. I'll reshare it, okay? No worries. Dude, tag me. I'll reshare it. We've got some food here at the Luckin Coffee. And it's a butter raised scot. And it will turn into a rock. We'll do a taste test. We'll see if the food here is any good. I assume the answer is going to be no. Grim. It's actually not bad. It's fine, yeah?
It's alright.
And this is a real kind of sneak peek into what you can do here in Shenzhen. Again, like, as you can see, the range of products, some of the quality they've got here is second to none in the world. You can find some real crap in these markets, as you've seen, but you can also find some real gems and some real quality. sourcing products from here is really cool because it gives you this advantage to kind of see and touch a range of products that would work in the West. And the best part is you can buy a lot of it. We're not just talking to huge suppliers that require massive MOQs. You can go in, you can buy samples, and then you can test them at home and see if there's something that you think there might be a market for. So if you are sourcing, this is the place to come. If you want to build a brand, this is the place to come. We're in Shenzhen, China. And yeah, it is definitely worth the trip.